Yo, what's going on, guys? Daniel Beltran here. In this video, I'm going to talk about how over the last 6 months, I literally went from zero to $100,000 with my AI automation agency. And no, it wasn't because I discovered some magical AI potion or hypnotized clients into throwing money at me. It was just leveraging AI to solve real business problems and following a simple and powerful 4-step system. In this video, I'm actually going to pull back the curtain and show you exactly how I did it so you can just replicate what I did. But first, a quick heads up. If you're not ready to take action, implement what you learn, and make some money with me, this video might not be for you. But if you're about that life and you want to make some money, great. Let's dive in. First things first, this is kind of like the 4-step system right here that I used to really scale. So building an offer that would resonate with my target audience depending on what their issues are. The second thing was using AI in my outreach to also kind of use that as a mini demo and also be more consistent than humans. The third step was the sales process, which took me the longest time to really refine the sales process, but I'm going to show you how we did that. And the last thing is just scaling your agency with project management driven by AI, which is something we probably won't cover on this call because that one's kind of crazy. But I want to talk about building the offer because, the foundation of why I did so well was just creating an offer that businesses couldn't refuse, and not like in a Hormozy way. This is what I mean. I just identified pain points. Like I focused on automating the repetitive tasks that just eat up valuable time for businesses. So one of the things that we did was an overflow bot. So after hours overflow, if I'm working with contractors and they're out on a job doing whatever, this bot is still there to take those calls. It'll take notes and then forward that to the business owner. So at all times, any leads that may come in, any clients that may call in, they still feel heard, they're taken care of, and my client can follow up with them when they have more time and when they're back at the desk. Second thing was developing the AI solutions for like something custom. In Boss right now, in my program, link in the description, there's free and paid ones. But even in the free ones, you can see there's custom tools that I've made to handle customer service, reporting, and even content creation. And then all I did was just showed them, like literally did the math and showed them how much time and money they're going to save. And typically, I've seen 50 all the way up to even 80%, on certain processes. So just by showing that clear ROI, clients already saw my services as an investment, right? Not an expense. And in the beginning I had that issue, but we'll kind of talk more about that. So, and just so for pricing, like this overflow bot is $500 a month and then 50 cents a minute, because it's not a lot of volume and it doesn't really do anything complex. It's a really simple bot that we can just give them as a test. A lot of people are still kind of hesitant about AI. It just makes them feel better. So anyways, next thing I did was just used AI in my prospecting. I just supercharged my outreach using AI. So lead generation, I was using AI to find prospects and also call them. And it was more personalized because some things that you can do with the AI voice is inject data from their website and then call them. So the bot already has context when they're trying to pitch them or like talk about how we can help them. So, we just use like OpenAI or Claude to write a prompt, inject it into the bot when it makes that call. And then the best part about everything is the automated follow-up. So we literally just have AI in every single one of our high-level automations, and it just calls people for us. And then it will put the notes and the call recording into the file and put them in the pipeline where it needs to go. Like it's like literally having a salesperson on the team, and I don't have to pay them or manage them, and I know exactly what they're doing every single time. And this system allowed me to connect with literally 8 times more prospects than traditional methods. Like literally changed my entire agency. So other than that, we did kind of change the sales process a little bit. We made it very focused on content. But once I had my prospects interested, my AI funnel took over. Like my AI powered qualification bot would literally talk to them via chat or on the phone and just pre-qualify and screen the leads or the tire kickers. And then with that, we could also do personalized proposals. So essentially a lead would come in, a bot would call them and do a proper like 10-minute discovery and then give them like a personalized proposal based on what they had, because we had like so many different offers and in the beginning, and now we have like 2 main ones. But the third thing was just handling objections. If they're skeptical, if it's a money problem, if they don't really feel that the AI would work, it's kind of also being part of the demo. Like my sales process is kind of the demo too. They're talking to the AI, it's bringing them to the sales call. And then at that point, what doubt do they have? It's like, oh, I'm not sure if AI is going to work. Well, it got you to the call, right? So if I can get more people to the call for you, would you make more money? Of course. So anyways, this approach, didn't only increase my close rate, but it also shortened the sales cycle significantly because the AI was just there to handle questions, handle objections at all times. And then for systems to handle the growth and maintain the quality, I implemented AI for fulfillment and client management. So I started using stuff like ClickUp, like project management tools that are already integrated with AI. I love ClickUp. I was using Trello before, but it's just a lot easier to manage, with my development team, my developers, and my clients too. And just kind of there to like track all the progress we're making. Quality control is at an all-time high too, because the AI literally checks itself and ensures the deliverables are met to our standards. And if they're not, it will notify our developers to tell them, hey, this bot is not performing the way it should. And then if we have like 40 clients, we only have to work on the 4 or 5 that are having like the biggest issues, if any at all. Because typically once you set up these bots, that's it. They run unless they want to make changes or optimize, right? And then for client communication, the AI chatbot was there to handle any questions about, the software. Because essentially when we sell this service, we're technically selling it as a software, right? Because they're able to log in, change the voice, change the everything. And if they have questions, they can talk to a chatbot or a voice bot that's already familiar with our technology's documentation. So they can just guide them if they have questions. So my editor messed up because this is supposed to say 6 months. So he's not going to get paid his $5 for doing this video, but it took 6 months to build this out. I guess 12 months technically, like from the time I started using AI, but it's allowed me to talk to 10 times more people. I'm saving 50% of my money because I'm not hiring appointment setters anymore. And then this thing is working 24/7 around the clock. It doesn't get any better than that. So there you have it. That's pretty much the exact blueprint I used in my AI automation agency to hit that $100,000 milestone. And you can absolutely take this information and run with it. But let's be real, you're likely going to hit some roadblocks along the way. So right now in the description, there's a free and a paid program. You can check it out. Even the free stuff, it's all the curriculum in the paid program. You can get all that for free. Building a successful agency is no walk in the park. Trust me, I've helped a lot of people do it. And it's always better to get it right the first time instead of learning expensive lessons through trial and error. So if you want to fast track your success and implement this 4-step system and scale your agency to 10, 20, even 30K a month, here's what I got for you. Click the first link in the description, book a free strategy session with me. We'll dive deep into your current situation. We'll identify any issues you're having, the biggest growth opportunities, and we'll just map out a clear action to actually skyrocket your agency using AI. So don't leave your success up to chance. Click that button. I'm saying? I want to help you guys. And if you have any questions, please drop a comment below. I have a really small community. Chances are I will respond to your comments. But that's it for now, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell because it's free and it really helps me. Other than that, I'll see you guys when I see you guys.